I will introduce one to you today. Lock strip pneumatic punching and cutting machine. We are equipped with two molds of different diameters, 6mm and 10mm. If there is a special aperture, it can also be customized. Tuck it in this guide groove. Then we have a ruler here. We can set the ruler according to the length of the adjustment. The first one and then the second one too. Then it came out, equipped with built-in gas storage tank. There are also waste collection boxes. If you have interested in this machine, welcome to contact us.